Hi guys! So I'm wearing this thing, not yet makeup, not yet even shower. So in this video, again I'm going to use April Skin's this hair dye. And then this few days and few weeks I've been thinking of trying something blue, because previously I tried purple and then it turned out pink, so I can like I can know like my hair color if I dye pink, and then how will it turn out. And then if I try with blue, because previously one of my hair color which is very dark purple and inside was blue, so now I'm trying this green. So this is called khaki. I'm very excited to try this color. It's very chill lah, because since you see my hair color, the we call that the black is like coming out already, and then I still have very light color here, so it's bleached color. And I think if I dye this hair color, the color will straight away go in, and I don't know how I will turn out. And it's my first time trying this color. They have darker green, but I choose this khaki. This color can last for 1 or 2 weeks only, so I still got the chance to change though. So let's get started with this khaki color, and let's go. I'm going to put on the gloves. And previously, the previous video, my hair was longer and I cut it short, so I think it's around the same length. So for my hair, for my hair length, I only need like half of the tube, and then another half I can use it for next time. And that's the best part of being having short hair. And again, I love the smell though. It's the same. Don't expect it to have matcha smell because it's green. It totally looks like matcha paste. So excited though. Ooh! I'm going to apply. Oh, yeah. You see, it'll be something like this. I think so. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna like apply the whole thing first. And today I saw in Guardian they have bigger tube. It costs like 40 something. So mine is 30 something only. So if let's say you want to change 30 something for 2 weeks, I think it's okay lah. And the color is like they have more colors. Previously when I saw it's like 5 colors, but now they have more. So feel free to check it out. So let me apply everything and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so now it's like I already applied everything on my hair. And then the thing is, because my hair is short, so I'm doing this alone, so I'm not so sure if even behind also have the color. So I almost used the full tube already. Previously the color I used previously, I can like still have like half of this tube, but now it's like finishing already. So what I'm going to do now is keep on applying, because I'm not so sure if the color goes in or not. And I do it alone. So because just now when you see this part is slightly colored. The color is brighter, so the thing absorbs. So the color absorbs into my hair, and then only the behind where it's kind of hard lah. But still, I'm gonna use this because of the trendy color. So this is my first time doing this color, and I'm kind of excited about the result though, really. So yeah, I look like a matcha. I look like a real life Christmas tree, but not that bright. More like a matcha Christmas tree. Yeah, actually quite cool also lah. But I bet that this color is much more you call that? It's much more dim. It's not bright. So if for tan skin like me, it's nice to have pink, red, purple, pink to make your face much more fairer. So I believe that when I apply this hair color, and I will be looking much more darker. Hopefully not that dark, seriously, hopefully I don't want to look so dark. I know I cannot change the color tone of my face, but we can cover it with makeup. So I'm not so sure if behind also. Wait, let me check. So this part, some of the color doesn't apply to this part. So it'll be much more dangerous if you do it by yourself. And then you don't know some of this hair dye. Almost finished already. But why this color doesn't want to go in? What is wrong? Already go in. Yeah, I'm too worried. I'm worried. Unless I cannot see. Hey, I think I saw some few strands which are golden. Oh, I'm covering everything. So I'm gonna leave it for 25 minutes from now, and then we'll see the result. Hopefully it's not as dark as I imagine, because the way like how I imagine this color would be very dark. Yeah. I don't see any pink or purple now. I feel like a Christmas tree. A real life matcha Christmas tree. Feel free to in me, everyone. And I don't think people want to buy me also, so yeah. Finally, time is up. Time to wash my hair and makeup, blow my hair, and I'll see you guys. So, hey guys, I just showered and I applied all the makeups and so on. And what can I say about this? Color is not what I expected again. Why every time all these things happen to me? Because I just love to try new things. Okay, so as you can see here now, it's like kind of okay, anyway, so I'll show you guys, and this is the result. Yeah, so now I look like I look like what? I look like a seaweed, a real life seaweed. And if you see properly, I do look like Joker, So if let's say, because my the bleach hair tone is not that bright, but if let's say brighter, then I think I will be totally like a Joker. So not recommend on tan skin. Can also, but maybe it's not my thing lah. So I think I will be going for purple pink. Yeah, purple, pink, and red, but not red, maybe just purple and pink. Yeah, so as the packaging is this color, so it turned out this. So it's a bit yellowish. Yeah, it's a bit yellowish. So yeah, so let me style my hair and let me straighten up and then blow my hair, and I see how I look like. But now I choose to make up like this, like very dark lipstick, and this color is my favorite, which is from Mary Kay Play. This is a matte liquid lip color, and this is neon nectarine, and then it's a bit of pinkish and red, but not too red and not too bright red and not too so this color. And I choose to have a little bit of smoky eyes, because I felt like when I have this color, I cannot go for those very sweet or romantic or Korean or Japanese type of makeup, because it looks a bit weird. So even if I wear dresses, right, or even if I dress, I don't think I can dress something which is sweet though. Yeah, let me blow my hair first and see everything. So guys, I decided to change my outfit and I blew my hair, and yeah, I look like this. So to be honest, now I felt like myself look like Zorro. If you know Zorro from Zorro from One Piece, and then the hair is like green. So if let's say you're a cosplayer, for this color can last for 2 weeks. So I think I'm gonna stay with this color for 2 weeks. And when I try to comb in this way, and I totally felt myself like a seaweed. So okay, so the moral of this story again is, don't judge a color by
by its what we call that, the packaging. It's been few times I kena this thing already, but I still want to try, and I gave myself a challenge where I'm going to try all the colors from April Skin, because first of all, my hair is like, as you can see, that this part is actually black, and then the color actually goes through the bleached hair, the bleached part. So which means if let's say you have darker hair color like brown, or let's say black, when you have this kind of color, I don't think the color can go into your hair. So which means you need a bleached hair. Yes, you need bleached hair, and now I look like a seaweed. So if you see me out there, please don't call me seaweed girl or Miss Seaweed or whatever. Please don't. It's so sad, man. It's actually a great color for maybe tan skin, but so far I felt this color is quite good lah, but not my thing. Yeah, I still prefer to go for my purple or pink. So yeah, thanks for watching. So the moral of this story: don't judge the color by its cover or packaging. And I decided to wear something like this, a green jacket and also a jeans. So because just now when I wore that, I felt like it's much more cute. And I have this makeup on. It's blurred again. Please. Please focus on me. So by this makeup and also this lipstick, I look very chill. Chill again, as I said, that it means cool. So all those cute thing doesn't suit me anymore, man. Or maybe I should just tie my hair this way so that I can avoid from seeing seaweed, a bunch of seaweed in front. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and hopefully these 2 weeks I can survive. I felt like a bit, not to say I'm not happy, but it's not my thing. But I don't mind trying. But it's not my thing. So God bless me that I can, maintain this color. But I don't think that I would put my fringe down for the time being. I'm just gonna tie this way, or I'm just gonna make a small bun just to avoid seeing myself like a seaweed. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't share this video lah. If you want to share, also share within your friends lah. Don't share it out like, you see I look like a seaweed. So if you ever want to try green hair, especially this April Skin, if you want to try green hair, you think about it first. Now I look like a seaweed, and I look like Zorro, or I look like a matcha girl. I don't know, I look like a matcha girl. So if you want to try, think properly. And if you want to have this kind of color, then you have to bleach your hair. Wow, I cannot believe, I cannot imagine if let's say the person's hair color is much more lighter than me. You look like a seaweed. You definitely look like a seaweed. Hello guys, good morning. As you can see that my hair is really messy right now, and also I did not apply any makeup. So for now, right, like yesterday, as you can see, it was so green, and I decided to remove the hair color by using a very crazy way, which is adding dishwashing liquid, and I call that the Head and Shoulders shampoo and baking soda. So by this, right, as you can see, the color, it became much more lighter instead of green color like Joker yesterday. So the color went to this kind of like golden color, so it actually kind of like really take off the green color, you know. So this is not a very healthy way lah, but anyway, I just want to remove it. So now I'm going to Guardian, and then I want to buy pink color, or the purple color, because I think the only thing that can save my current hair is something which is red pigment. So yeah, let me go to Guardian and buy again which is pink or purple color, just to cover up this green color. And not to say that this product is not good, but it's not the color I want, and I really don't really like it. Yeah, it's not for me lah, you know. So anyway, I'll see you guys I'll see you guys later, and let me go and do everything, and I will post to you guys. I will share with you guys what happened later, but not everything, because I really don't have the mood to like show you guys. What I want just to save my hair from this salad head or seaweed head. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye. Guys, good day to you, good day to me, good day to everybody. And yes, finally I saved my own hair. So yeah, so I did not like use bleach and so on. So what I did was I used Head and Shoulders of Clear, this either one of this shampoo, and I added with baking soda and dishwashing liquid. So what happened was I wrap it with I wrap my hair with this thing for 45 minutes, and then I rinse it off. So it became gold color, and it's likely like a few days later of the hair dye. So it's much more easy for me to put the other colors. Another color, another tips to cover up the color is using red pigmentation hair dye. So this is like sort of a bit of they call it purple, but the thing is about this purple, and then it's like much more reddish to me. It became like a pink, like dark pink, but I prefer this color. Yeah, so I saved my own hair, but don't use the baking soda and dishwashing liquid. It's really bad, but I cannot stand seeing my hair become like salad hair. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Don't do stupid thing like me, and don't because of the thing. But you know what, I'm still going to try, but I'm not going to try the color. I'm not going to try green color. I don't want to have another salad head anymore. So I'll see you guys next time in my video, and love you guys. Mwah!